Paying a shop to replace your car battery costs over $100 in labor alone. You can keep that money in your pocket by purchasing a basic 10mm socket and doing the job yourself in the driveway. The 10mm socket is the universal key for almost every battery terminal. Securing this single, inexpensive tool instantly eliminates the need to schedule an appointment or pay inflated shop rates for a 10-minute task. Start by locating the negative battery terminal, which is always marked with a minus sign. Use your new socket to loosen the retaining nut just enough so the cable can be safely pulled straight up and off the post. Repeat that exact same process for the positive terminal, clearly marked with a plus sign. Once both cables are completely disconnected and tucked safely aside, use the socket to remove the battery hold-down bracket securing the unit. Lift the old battery straight out of the tray and carefully lower your new replacement into the exact same position. Reinstall the hold-down bracket to ensure the new battery cannot shift or move while driving down the road. Reconnect the positive cable first, tightening the nut until it feels completely snug. Finally, secure the negative cable, and you have just successfully completed your first repair while saving over $100 in unnecessary labor fees.